Leave it to Honda to expand the notion of what a beginner bike can be. The new CRF 110F replaces the CRF 70F in Honda's lineup and offers much more. Electric starting, broader power band, big bike styling inspired by Honda's CRF racing machines, a low seat height and modest size, plus a 4-speed transmission with an automatic clutch that caters to beginning riders. The new CRF 110F is powered by a 4-stroke single-cylinder 110cc air-cooled engine that's rugged and reliable, and it's tuned to deliver the kind of power that fits the needs of those just learning to ride. A broad power band that helps new riders get rolling. A throttle adjustment feature lets parents limit power to suit new rider skill levels. And the convenient electric starter lets new riders get going with the push of a button. This great new engine is teamed with a 4-speed transmission with an automatic clutch. This automatic clutch means new riders never have to worry about manipulating a handlebar-mounted clutch. Just twist the throttle to get going, which results in easy takeoffs and simplified shifting. Just use the foot pedal to shift up or down. And to keep it running with minimal hassle, the CRF 110F is loaded with features such as a maintenance-free battery and CD ignition, automatic cam chain tensioner, and proven Honda durability. With a 26.3-inch seat height, the CRF 110F fits nicely between the Honda CRF 50F and CRF 80F. This modest reach down to the ground helps build rider confidence right from the start. A smooth-action telescopic front fork provides 3.9 inches of suspension travel for confident control over rugged hills. The triangulated swing arm works with a durable single rear shock to offer 3.4 inches of rear wheel travel for great rider comfort and bump absorption. Sealed drum brakes front and rear are compact and lightweight and provide strong stopping action, and the full knobby tires offer excellent grip. With tough plastic fenders, tank, and other body parts, the CRF 110F is engineered to shrug off the minor dings of real-world riding conditions. Also, the CRF 110F uses a strong steel frame that's built to handle the challenges of off-road riding. Other details are inspired by Honda's CRF racing machines, a motocross-style handlebar with crossbar and crossbar pad, folding cleated foot pegs that offer secure footing even in muddy conditions, and narrow bodywork inspired by the current crop of CRF racers. One look at the CRF 110F and you can see a lineage that runs through Honda's entire line of CRF performance machines. What better way to get started than with a machine inspired by the best?